Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So the question I get a lot too is Gearbubble legit? And that is a very good question. So before I answer that, let's look at what it is. This is at gearbubble.com. And what they do is they allow you to sell a bunch of products online. And they've sold over 5 million products, 150,000 plus sellers globally, done over 130 million in sales processed, and 161,000 verified reviews. So basically, these guys are like I would call them like, the godfather of print on demand, basically the guy who owns this. So you can sell on their platform, or you can create your own store using something called Gearbubble Pro, which is like a pro store. So this is a competitor to Shopify, and the difference is this one actually converts a little bit better than Shopify does. So I like it a lot, but you don't have to use that. They have a whole bunch of things like why is it better, features, and FAQ and all that stuff if you want to know more about it. You have fees? Yeah, they do. It's a monthly subscription. Are you better than Shopify? Yes. They prioritize maximizing sales. In our design, our goal is to create an e-commerce platform that's perfect for people who simply want to sell as many products as possible online without the complication of third-party apps, custom themes, or required coding and additional fees. With Shopify, when you go on there, you always have to buy apps in order to do anything, and it adds up real quick, so it gets super expensive. That's why I like this better. You can use your own domain, and it works very, very well. But anyway, going back here, let's hit the back button one more time. So here you can look at what you can sell there on Gearbubble Pro, or you can sell on the platform, which is where you can sell things like this, like mugs, necklaces, shirts, and all that good stuff. Pillowcases they have. And they also have the ability to customize stuff, which is a lot no other print-on-demand platform has really. So let's look at this. So so it says, "Dear Dad, thank you for being my dad. If some other guy was my dad, I'd piss off his shoes, chew up his wireless phone, and go find you, love." The dogs did. Look at that. Boom. Goes right there and you can order it. So nobody else really has this. That alone makes them, gives them a leg up on everybody else. So they sell a lot of products, but the question is, are they legit? And the answer is yes, 100%. So I'm sold over $1 million, 41,000 products, mainly necklaces that I sell with them. So who owns this? Is a guy named Don Wilson, and he's basically one of the smartest guys you'll ever meet. He thinks big, and he's had a lot of companies copy him over the years. They've taken portions of his business and tried to mimic it, and some have done a good job. But I can tell you from experience, too, it's not always easy when people copy you, but he's always positive, not like me. I'm kind of like a grumpy old man. Even though I know that copycats happen all the time, it has happened to me, and I've seen them come out of the gate swinging, and then they'll fizzle out and die. Typically happens. Now, I take it as a compliment instead of hiring lawyers, which I've done back in the day. That sucked, by the way. Paid like $3,000 for a season to just this letter from one guy who's copied my site. And it ended up he just died out anyway because he was copying everything I did. And as soon as I canceled his membership, he couldn't copy me anymore. Don doesn't have that luxury, but Don just keeps evolving by offering more products and providing the highest conversion rate on any print-on-demand platform out there. So that's why I use them. That's why I like them. That's why I've focused on them for a long time. And anybody that's wondering, are they a legit company to use to sell products? Yes. Are they a legit company to buy products from? Absolutely. And if you want some help working with them, I can help you. I mean, I run ads daily for my print-on-demand products and also my coaching program. But if you want to learn more, visit my site. It's ppc-coach.com. Join the forums. That's my membership part. Buy the Quick Start Guide, which will get you started in print-on-demand. Subscribe to this channel. There's more coming all the time. And also go and join my free Facebook group, which is ppc-coach.com/group. That'll redirect you right to Facebook. All right? If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Have a great day.